Good day, everyone. It's 3 a.m. in the morning here in the Philippines. So today's tutorial is about how to make a random text or somewhat it would look like a hacker text. Sorry about that. So let's get started now. So we need a new composition. So it's any preset would do. So I prefer usually it's with this one. So let's click OK. Just 10 seconds, or you can make it longer if you want. So what we're gonna need, also background music if you want, or background audio file. So let's make this now a quarter since I'm still doing something. And also let's start. Okay, right click over here, new text. So we need to make a random text with anything that would fit your logo. So any type of letter or word or anything you want. So that's it. But we need to put it in the middle part. Okay. So what we need to do next? It's we're gonna have to animate it. So scale. Let's change it to around 0. And there. Then let's move a few frames. So maybe around 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can click page down. So it's let's see. I need to put a keyframe there, then to 100. So let's see what it looks like here. Oh, sorry about that. It's supposed to be 0. Sorry. One, two, three. Sorry. One, two, three, four, five. So there we have it. Okay. So there. So what we're gonna do next from here, we're gonna animate. So click character offset. So I need to click the Alt button, Alt, then click, then time, star 24. Okay. So again, we need the second animator for the character offset. Sorry. For the character offset. So on the animator too, we need to do the same. So time, star 24. That's it. So yeah. Okay, that's good. So at around 2 seconds, that's where the magic starts. So we're gonna do a few edits. Usually, this usually take around 1 or 2 minutes only, depending on your skill. So we put a keyframe here. Okay. There's around 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we reduce that to 0. So we're back to the first one. Let's see now. So you see the random letters going in there. Stop around here. So around 1 frame from that, we're going to go to source text. Then we're going to type whatever name that you want. So let's save it now. So in my case, then we go a few frames after that one. Okay. Then again another frame. Few frames again. 3, 4, 5. Maybe this is the last one. So 1, then and there. That's it. Oh, I forgot. Let's complete this one. Okay. So let's see what it looks like. So there you have it. An easy random text. Okay. So if you want, you could put background in it, but in our case, gonna put in some background audio. Let's see how it sounds like. So if you want to put in a background, you can put any kind you want, like the one over here. There. But in case you don't have any of those, if you want to make it manually, you could try something like this. So again, we're gonna make another text layer. So I need to delete this guy over here. Okay, then the text should be something somewhere at the top. Let's bring it over here. There. Then I'm gonna paste it. So if you want, you could just type anything you want, even your resume, bio data, or anyone. You just have to ask permission. In my case, I just downloaded, copied someone on the internet, which is free. So copy this one, then paste it here, and there you have it. Let's make this bigger. Okay, let's make this, it's actually longer. Okay, and then what we're going to do is first we need to change the opacity. So let's change it to around 15%. You'll still see the logo in the middle. So if it's having a hard time processing this one, let's close some toolbars over here. Okay. Then there you have it. Just need to animate this one. So need to click the animate button, then scale. So I put this to 0. Then maybe at around 6 seconds we start doing something like this. Just a few settings. There. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Okay, then next we're gonna go to around maybe 1 second. We go make this 0. We put a keyframe over here. Then same with 6 seconds. Get another keyframe over there. Then put this to 100. So let's see how will this look like. Sorry, it's having a hard time. You can see the text typing in there. The top. Let's try that again. See. So that's it for today.